Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. And what we see there, we've seen before, an air filter on the bottom of the cowling. But today, when Shop Monkey was bringing his a customer's airplane up to Rensselaer to have a fuel tank leak stopped, he had the engine run rough. He was able to lean it out. He thought about turning back, but he made it. And immediately they opened up the airplane after they already departed for home, and this is what the shop sent me. That is debris in the carburetor, and specifically it's the rubber on the air filter off the Tiger. This is a HA6 side draft carburetor here. So the air filter has not been changed in a while. The airplane's coming back to us after the fuel tank leak for an annual. They had just bought the airplane, so we're probably going to find a lot like this with the airplane, but we're going to give it a good look. But that is something I have not seen before, an air filter not changed in a long enough time that it was deteriorating and falling apart into the carburetor. So we hope you found this useful and informative. Thanks for watching, and please don't let this happen to your airplane. Thanks again. Look for this link on a GPA page to support us. Thank you very much for your support.